HUMMER H2 window regulator. I want to give you guys some tips, tricks, advice, some issues I ran into installation. I want to do a quick note. One of the reasons I'm doing this, I'm in the process of sound deadening my vehicle. That one over there is really messed up. I mean, they were all super slow. This one wasn't bad, but for me, it was $250 for these parts. I said to myself, I might as well just put new window regulators before I sound deaden the vehicle. Something else I also recommend is, while you're in here, guys, I'd highly recommend going in here, cleaning. There's going to be a lot of dirt and grime all throughout this. I recommend cleaning it up. Let me show you guys how dirty it is to give you an actual idea of what you're dealing with. I mean, just absolutely hideous. I mean, this is yeah, I mean, it's hard to tell on camera, but the amount of dirt and grime and filth that's back there, that all builds up, and that's one of the reasons these vehicles, it could smell inside your vehicle. These vehicles are 20 years old. How many people have actually gone in and cleaned out all the dirt and mold and dust? Probably only a few Hummer H2 owners. Let me tell you, clean up back here is absolutely disgusting. Anyway, getting sidetracked here. You came for the window regulators, so let's talk about it. Motor, harness. Right here, you've got these two clips, rubber clips, one here, one here. So what are those? Let's take a look. That's where your glass is going to be held. You roll your window down, this piece is going to move down. When you roll your window up, this piece comes back up. All right, simple enough. So you've got all this off, you've got that off, you've got this off, you've cleaned it. Again, I'd recommend cleaning it. You've come this far, you might as well get all the dirt and grime and dust out of there. But that's my recommendation. It's your decision. Undo the harness. All right, you're going to have 1, 2. I'd recommend just unloosening that, okay, and then you can just lift up, push out. 3. You have 4. 5. You want to tape down your window. All right. Next, see right here, this bolt right here is one there and one right there. Those bolts that I just showed you, that's what these are. Okay, that's what those two bolts are. Those are the bolts that hold your glass. Okay, so at this point, let's start over here. Lift this piece up, just gently set the motor down. You're gonna do is, this piece right here is gonna be like that up here. All right, you're gonna want to just work it. You're gonna pull it out underneath. Actually, it's not too bad. Let's see if I can get you guys a camera shot of. I tried. I thought I could get you a better shot of what's going on in there. But there's a lot of room to work with back there. There really is. So it should slide right out. Again, you got the window taped up. When you're doing the reinstall, you want to make sure you take that bolt. Again, that's going to be up here. Take that. It's going to be on the top of that window regulator. You're going to want to make sure you take that off and you put on the new window regulator when you slide that on. So you're going to slide that on. Plug it in. I did this one next, and I was short a nut because I had forgotten about that one on the top, and I really struggled to get that screwed in. So what I actually did was I rolled the window all the way up, took the tape off, and when I lowered the window back down, and I got to about halfway, I was able to get that screwed on very easily. And once the window's halfway down, I actually think it's a great idea, because you'll be able to see what's God